Welcome to Fed and Frugal. I'm Amy Power, and today we're making something out of nothing, fried rice. This dish is super convenient, easy, and a great way to make your money go really far. Hi, I'm Amy Power, the owner of Fed and Full, a personal chef service in Lake Tahoe. I'm here to teach you that cooking delicious food doesn't have to be hard, time-consuming, or expensive. So let's get cooking while saving some dough. Okay, all right. Welcome to my kitchen. Just kidding. This is not my kitchen. The reason why I chose to do this show is because I love to share good food, of course, but also I wanted to do something about the pressure that everyone's under to spend money. We pay more attention to how our friends are spending money rather than how much they are actually saving. And this can easily cause you to overspend. Don't get me wrong, spending money is not the enemy. It's when you spend beyond your means, it can cause a lot of added stress. I want to show you that you can have incredible meals, impress yourself and your friends, and still save money doing it. You can really use anything you have in the house. Think broccoli, carrots, green onions, peas, anything you have on hand. There's a link to all these recipes in the description. Even when you're living paycheck to paycheck, there are still ways to save money and eat delicious food. And that gives you freedom. That is what the show is about, and I hope it helps. What's great about fried rice is that you can use what you have that potentially is maybe going bad and needs to be cooked that day, so you're not wasting things and money isn't going down the drain. For example, I'm gonna be using cilantro today that has seen better days. Leftover bacon from breakfast. It's a rare occurrence, but we have some. You can incorporate anything that suits your taste or that needs to be used. It's a great way to use up your leftovers. I want to show you how to shop your refrigerator and your pantry. You actually might have more than you think, and you have a free meal. We have a special mini chef guest today, and his name is Lincoln, AKA my 5-year-old son. This is such a wonderful family meal, and it's great that the kids can get in the kitchen and participate. Okay, today is cooking holding a child. You want a big fork or a little fork? All right, good. Good job. Use that big muscle you have. And don't get them out of the bowl. You don't get too wild. All right. Woo! How's the weather up there? So we're gonna start with our onions, carrots, and mushrooms. We're gonna saute these down. Do you know what this is, Lincoln?
Garlic.
Baby bird. You got better than that. Come on. Oh! There you go. You really went in there. What's in here?
Bacon.
Do you like bacon?
I love bacon.
Good job. Good job. We're gonna make a little room for the eggs. I don't recommend filling your pan this high. Use a bigger pan or less food. We have a little bit of a greed going on. Awesome. Oh yeah, seasoning and everything. Okay, watch out. You cracked those. Are you proud of yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Should be.
They're mine.
So that was a whirlwind. Cooking with your 5-year-old is a little challenging. So what you do is you put butter in the pan, but you can use any type of cooking oil. Add in the onions, carrots, mushrooms, saute, then the garlic, add in the rice to start getting all crispy. After that, you're gonna put in the bacon, move everything to the side, and make a little hot tub for your eggs. And then toss everything together and drizzle the coconut aminos, soy sauce, tamari, whatever you have. What do you have in your refrigerator that you could use to put in your fried rice? There we go. I'm gonna put a little cilantro on mine. We'll see. And let's go feed the beast. What do you think, Lincoln?
Yummy.
That's pretty good. Bacon cheers. Beep. You like fried rice? And that rice just put you in a food coma?